We are going to be reacting to this Starman, and the reason I say we, because it's me and my friends. Okay, we're going to start it in 3, 2, 1.
Check out what I got for
Full
our trip to
screen.
Legoland this week. Yo, that's so cool. Wait, how'd you even convince your mom to go? I thought you were grounded.
I just told her I wouldn't fail any test this month. But what she doesn't know is I don't have any tests.
I am such a genius.
Ew, what
Wash
the
your hands
heck?
first.
That's disgusting.
Scared of G.
Yo, watch out. You almost pulled the fire alarm.
Morning, boys.
Hey, morning. What you got there, Mr. Wilson?
What, you mean this? This is a surprise.
That doesn't sound good.
Not at all.
You've got to be kidding me. He's gonna give us a pop quiz. Yeah, probably. I gotta find somewhere to get out of it.
Come on, the reading assignment was easy. Yeah, didn't you do it?
And miss out on my huge Minecraft tournament? No
That's
way.
crazy. Game over education.
This test somehow.
Here we go again.
I can pretend I'm sick.
You already did that like 5 times and it never works.
True.
That's crazy. He's pretending he's sick a bunch. That's actually nuts.
Yeah,
Like, my mom would not believe me if I tried to say I was sick.
yeah.
Alright.
Maybe I could pretend like I broke my leg by slipping in this hallway.
What is Bro trying? He's not slick.
Jay, when you broke your arm, was it all hunky-dory? Yeah, dude, that won't work. Besides, they're installing cameras now, so it'll be obvious you're faking it.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
So when do you think you'll have it working?
I'm having a problem with the server. They're not connecting. Hopefully by tomorrow.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Today's my lucky day.
Mikey, do we have to tell you every single time? Running away from problems just makes them worse.
Please, Derek. I've been running away from my problems since first grade. Look where it's gotten me.
Where?
Yeah.
Yo,
That's
where's it gotten
crazy.
you? It's gotten you into your freaking cheesy fingers going up people. Like, what?
Yeah, that's like weird. What? He's been doing it since first grade. He's probably in like 6th grade now.
You've been suspended at least 5 times. You have been grounded every single summer. And what's your GPA again?
I don't want to talk about that. But I'm still the coolest kid in school. Yeah, right. Alright, look. I'm running out of time, alright?
Come on, Mikey. Face it. There's nothing you can do at this point.
Don't underestimate me, alright? Look. I'll figure something out.
I would totally underestimate him.
Yeah.
Okay, do not turn these over just yet.
I wonder what he's gonna do. I
Yeah,
wonder what he's gonna do.
I really do wonder.
Hey, Mikey, no snacks in class. Put that away, please. Hey, you're supposed to use a cracker, not your finger.
That's crazy. Bro's not using his crackers. That's like so.
It looks like
weird,
he's
too.
crying in the background.
Yeah.
Look, it looks like he's crying in the background.
Yeah. And why does this kid look so much older than him?
Yeah, what?
That doesn't make any sense. All right.
Everybody, what I have for you here is going to just have to wait 1 second. Keep them down, please. I'll be right with you.
Did you hear what happened at Chesterfield High? Some pop pulled the fire alarm. They had to evacuate the whole school.
I hope they got the guy that did it.
Last I heard,
I think he's gonna pull the fire alarm, guys.
Me
yeah,
too.
Yeah, I think he is. He's getting the idea to do it.
Yeah.
they hadn't figured out who it was.
As you can see from this article.
Got what?
I'm gonna pull the fire alarm.
What? That's a terrible idea. You're gonna get caught on camera.
But he said the camera won't be working till tomorrow.
Do I think what's going on too far, Mikey?
What if they test for fingerprints?
Then I'll pull it with my shirt. That way there's no fingerprints. I'm pretty sure, Mikey, that pulling a fire alarm is an actual crime. There could be very serious consequences of that, Jane, if I got caught.
Which will never happen.
Do I have to
He's 100%
Yeah,
gonna
he's
get
so
caught.
getting caught. And actually, it is against the law to do it. Yeah, he is so getting
It
caught.
is? Oh, I did not know that.
explain it to you every single time? Your plans never work. Jinx!
No, I said it first.
I said it. Of course they do. I'll prove it.
Mr. Wilson, can I use the bathroom real quick, please?
Yeah, okay, Mikey. Just hurry back. He's over there.
Thank you.
But those girls were talking to each other. I can't believe the teacher is letting them do that.
Yeah. I would tattle on him.
Excuse
Yeah.
me.
But some people in the class didn't. So,
Yeah, the friends should definitely tell.
yeah.
Let's keep going, guys.
Thank you. Come to Papa.
Oh yeah, guys.
There is no way he's about to do this.
Okay, guys. Also, shout out to Darman for making this video.
Hey, young man, you need help with something?
Nope, just go into the bathroom.
Well, you're going in the wrong direction. Bathroom is that way.
Oh, yes, I know. I'm just getting something from my locker.
Okay, well, when you do go, be very careful of the wet floor, okay?
Yes, sir.
One of the toilets overflowed.
I'm pretty sure he's like right next to the gym.
Yeah. He's waiting for no one to be there. Or the lunchroom. Not sure.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going.
How does a floor crack that much?
Yeah, that was like crazy.
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without
Sorry.
This is base 40.
Okay, guys.
Let's go, let's go. Everybody just remain calm. Remember what we practiced during the fire drill, okay?
Let's go.
While the other students and teachers evacuated on the west side.
I think he's gonna get caught, guys. Yeah.
Because like there's no fire too.
Yeah.
Or you just pull it at perfect timing and there is a fire.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll get an update soon.
What's up, kids? Well, aren't you glad I got us out of that pop quiz?
Can't believe you actually did that.
Oh, and to add on, I also didn't get caught. Yeah, not yet.
Yeah, he will definitely
Yeah,
get caught.
there's no way.
We'll see about that.
Mikey, there you are. I was just inside looking for you. How long have you been out here?
Well, I've been here since we evacuated. You didn't notice?
No. Anyway, I just spoke with Principal Danvers. It sounds like we're going to be out here for a little while longer.
Dang it, I was looking forward to that pop quiz.
Pop quiz?
Mr.
You mean
Wilson?
Can I speak to you for a moment?
Yes, of course, Principal Danvers.
What are we talking about? The better question is, what rides are we going on when we get to Legoland, baby?
See, I was thinking about that earlier. There's more to life than just skipping tests and going to amusement parks.
No, there isn't.
Mike,
That's the craziest thing I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah, and also, I didn't know Laterland had roller coasters. He doesn't even care about his education, bro.
Yeah.
he's right.
Wait, what you guys should definitely care about education.
Yeah.
It's one of the most important things in life.
You can't just expect to always get away without being caught. As my dad always says, running away from your problems just makes them worse.
Well, my dad says that the moon is made of cheese.
What's your point? His point is to stop pulling more pranks, or else you won't be able to come to Legoland with us. Yeah, and your mom might even take away your talent again.
You know what? Instead of being grateful, you guys are making me feel bad for what I did.
All right, well, we're just...
He should feel bad.
Yeah, and did his dad say that the moon is made of cheese? Like what?
waiting for the fire department to finish their rounds and make sure that everybody's safe.
The fire department's here?
Yeah, they respond to every fire alarm.
Right.
Well,
Wilson, this is Captain Stoll. He's going to be asking everybody some questions today.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, looks like it was a false alarm. It's not the first time this has happened today, so I need to gather some more info. What were you and your class doing right before the alarm went off?
Well, I had just handed everybody some paperwork. A teacher came in, told me about what happened at Chesterfield. And then... that's about all I can remember.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Wilson.
Of course.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? I actually did give Mikey the key to the bathroom.
You did?
Yeah. Mikey, did you see anything?
No, actually, you know, I heard someone running down the hall before the fire alarm went off, but that's all I remember.
All right. Well, Captain Stoll, could you show us what you found so far?
Of course, follow me.
You too, Mikey.
Me? Why?
Because you said you were the last one in the hall, right? So maybe you could provide some insight to us. Let's go.
Okay, none of that. I'll be right back.
John! Any luck?
Yes, I actually was able to get the camera started right when the fire alarm went off.
You were?
Yeah, I thought I was gonna need more time, but I figured it out. Here we go. It looks like the camera started right after everyone started walking away.
Lucky me.
I mean, phew. Luckily everyone's okay.
Mikey, think. What else was happening in the hallway when you were here?
Let me retrace my steps. So, I left Mr. Wilson's classroom. Then I went to the bathroom.
Does anybody know what happened yet?
Not yet. Mikey is explaining what was happening. He went to the bathroom.
That's odd. I was in there fixing the toilet when the alarm went off. I didn't see you.
Well, that's because I ran into the girls' room.
You did what?
Well, you see, George told me that the toilets were overflowing, so I decided to use the girls' restroom.
That's true. I did tell him.
See?
But the key that you took was for the boys' bathroom.
Principal Anders?
Yes, I am.
I got the fingerprint kit. Now we can see who the suspect really is.
Wonderful. It's right here.
Thank you.
Mikey, you were...
I think one of his friends is gonna get blamed for it.
I think that, remember on his shirt, he had like the cheese stain? What if like the cheese is, what if the cheese is the fingerprint and then he gets caught because the teacher knew the cheese was on his shirt?
Yeah.
Say?
What? What was it for?
Mikey, if you had a key to the boys' restroom, how did you get into the girls' restroom?
Well, you see, there was a girl and she came out of the restroom, so I decided to sneak inside. I'm sorry, that was wrong.
I don't know. That all sounds a little odd.
Mikey, if you are covering up for someone else, you, young man, are in big, big trouble.
I'm telling you everything I know, I swear.
Principal?
Yes.
We didn't find any prints, but we did notice something odd. Can you come over and take a look?
Of course.
It looks like cheese dip?
Cheese dip?
Oh.
Look, cheese right here. That might be it.
Yeah. Just like the cheese. I meant just like the moon is made of cheese.
You were eating cheese in my classroom.
No. You see, look, my hands are clean.
That's because you just rubbed it all over your shirt.
That explains why there isn't any prints. He used his shirt to pull the alarm.
Oh, Mikey. How could you do that? Especially after all that we've been through.
Please, just don't tell my mom. I didn't think all this was gonna happen. I just pulled it because I didn't want to do the pop quiz and just wanted to go to Legoland with my friends.
Pop quiz?
Yeah.
No, Mikey, no. I just wanted to play a game with you all.
A game? Are you serious? You mean I did all this for nothing?
Mikey, you're coming to my office right now.
No,
Oh.
please, I'm sorry.
Actually, we have to stop you there, Principal.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. You don't know how much I appreciate that.
Mike,
He's getting taken to juvie.
That would be crazy. Yes.
he's actually gonna come with us. Pulling the fire alarm is a serious crime. You didn't know that?
It's illegal.
Yeah.
A crime?
Yes, it is. I'm gonna take you downtown. Cover.
Sure.
No. It's okay. No, please.
Oh, don't worry about it. It's gonna be all right.
No. Don't take me. Let me go.
What's going on? What are you doing with Mikey?
friend is under arrest for pulling the fire alarm.
Derek! No, wait a minute. Mikey! Mom! I can't explain. I was in the neighborhood and I heard that the alarm went off.
Man, seems like your son is the one who pulled it.
What? Mom, please don't take away my tablet. And don't ground me. I just want to go to Legoland with my friends. That is what you're most worried about. You should be worried about going to juvie. I'll meet you at the station.
Yes, ma'am.
What? No.
Come on, Tim.
Please, Mom, no. I'm not going. Let me go. No. Jay, Derek, help.
All I can say is, running from the problems just makes them worse.
That was crazy.
Okay, guys, the video's over. Bye.